In this week's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this diamond-shaped leaf coaster. It's purely made of single crochets, which is one of the easiest stitches. We will also do a little increasing, so this project is perfect for learning and practicing single crochets and single crochet increasing. Now, if this is your first time watching my video, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more quality content like this. For this project, I use a 3mm crochet hook. We're gonna start with a slip knot and chain up 25. Then chain one more to turn. Starting from the second chain from the hook, we're gonna put one single crochet into every stitch. For the last stitch, we're gonna work a total of 3 single crochets so that we can turn around like this. So that's 3 single crochets into one stitch. I'm gonna mark the middle one with a stitch marker. Then into the very next stitch, work a single crochet. Make sure you carry the tail so we can hide it in no work. Keep working one single crochet into every stitch. Leave out 2 stitches at the end of this row. We're not going to put anything into those 2 stitches. It's a little hard to spot here, so make sure it's 2. You can turn your work like this. Our last single crochet should be in the same stitch of the third single crochet on the other side. Then chain 1, chain your work. Now we're going to work in this direction into the second chain from the hook under the back loop. Starting from there, one single crochet into every stitch, all into the back loop only. When you're one stitch away from the stitch marker, into the stitch right before the stitch marker, we're gonna work 2 single crochets. That's 1 increase. And into the stitch marker, we're gonna work 3 single crochets. Into the very next stitch, 2 single crochets. From here, you're gonna work 1 single crochet into every stitch. This time, you're gonna leave out 2 stitches again. Chain 1 and turn. From the second stitch from the hook, start working 1 single crochet into every stitch. Two single crochets into the stitch before the stitch marker, 3 single crochets into the stitch marker, two single crochets after the stitch marker, and then 1 single crochet into every stitch along this row. This time you're going to leave out 3 stitches, and we're always going to do that from this point. Single crochet your way back, do the same increase here, 2, 3, 2. At the end of this row, leave out 3 stitches. So you're going to go ahead and do that. I'll see you there. Alright, we've done that. Now chain 1 and turn. So work like this. Leave out 3 stitches here and like that. So we're going to continue working like this until we reach row 11. Every time you come to the end, leave out 3 stitches. And we're going to keep increasing here. 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, and 2 single crochets again. So we're going to do that first. I'll meet you back here. Now let's take a look how we can count the rows. Make sure this side is facing up. You can tell that's our single crochets there. So that's the first row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11. So when you finish your 11th row, you should be on this side. For row 12, chain 1 and single crochet all the way back. From this row, we're going to put 1 single crochet instead of 2 before and after the stitch marker. Into the stitch marker, we're still going to put 3 single crochets. Come to this side, leave out 3 stitches and single crochet back. We're gonna keep working like this until we reach row 24. Remember, at the end of every row, leave out 3 stitches, and you're only gonna increase 2 single crochets into the middle stitch here. I finished those rows. You can double check your rows. Make sure your single crochet is faced up like this. You should have 12 of these little spikes plus 1 more row. You should be ending your last row up here. Another way you can double check is to count the stitches here. We have 3 single crochets into 1 stitch here. We're not going to include those ones, and count from the next stitch till the end. We should have 22 stitches. If you have the same stitch count, you know you did it right. Fasten off here. This is how you crochet a diamond-shaped leaf coaster. Please like and subscribe. Make sure the notification is on, and I'll see you next week.